What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? Oh, my bad, guys. I forgot to plug in my internet. Give me 1 second. Hope this doesn't cut off, but I just plugged in my internet. Should be good. All right. Lagging a little bit. Sorry, guys. I was rushing a little bit towards the end to set up for the show here, so I forgot to plug in my internet, but I just plugged it in, so we should be going pretty soon. Hope you guys can see me. Okay. So, let's redo that. What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Wednesday, September 22nd, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. What's up, Low Roller? What's up, Team Crawford? Appreciate you guys for being here. Wall Street bets jump into crypto bandwagon. It will be crazy. So I think it's a YOLO, Low Roller. So link that again towards the end, and we can take a look at that. I heard Robinhood is doing a crypto wallet or something. Yeah, Team Crawford, not sure if you were here yesterday. I think you were. We briefly discussed that. Or was it yesterday or the day before? Can't really remember. But we did discuss Robinhood introducing crypto wallets. Yeah, that's kind of old news. But appreciate you guys for being here, as always. So today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. That is because all the major indexes are in the green. Major bounce today. You guys can see me, right? I'm just making sure because no one has responded to me yet. Let me check YouTube real quick. Yeah, it says live, so I'm pretty sure I'm good here. Someone just type something. Make sure I'm live here. Don't want to be talking to myself. What's up, 1010? Appreciate you for being here, man. Don't think you were here yesterday, dude. I don't think you were. I don't remember you being here, but nice to see you again. Thanks for being here today. Thanks for being here today, 1010. Appreciate you. 40% in my small account. Thanks, ATER. Well, congratulations to you, 1010. The YOLO account. Yeah, we'll discuss ATER later, but very happy for you, 1010. Congratulations to you. And thanks for being back. So, yeah, today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. So, all major indexes in the green. I think crypto is still red, but this was much needed. Major bounce today. And we got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto review. And today, the Fed did talk, so we'll discuss that. We have 2 news articles, very short articles about the Fed. And today, for the analysis, we're going to be talking about ATER, MRIN, LCID, and SOFI. So, only discussing 4 stocks today for the analysis. And as always, we'll get to our YOLOs. So, we'll try to make some good time here today. Hopefully, we can finish 2 or 2.5 hours. Okay. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You got 2 more days Bitcoin contract. What do I do next? Probably going to sell more calls. Not sure for which strike. Either 50 or above again. I was honestly planning to cash out my Bitcoin at 50K. But now it's pretty far from there at 40 something. So I'll probably just end up selling some more covered calls for Bitcoin again. Not sure what strike and expiration, but this did not go as planned. I mean, it kind of did. I'm happy the contract is going to expire worthless. But I wanted it to expire around like 48, 49K, not 41K. So looks like more calls. We'll see though. ATER up 28% during day, up another 6% after hours. I'm out though, burned on a day trade. Well, sounds like you did pretty good on the day trade, on ATER on the day trade, 10-10. So sorry you got burned on another trade there, but hope you made it out in the green. Bitcoin will go October to December. Hopefully. You know, we can't say for sure, but one can hope for sure. So, hey, that's perfectly fine with me. Probably going to sell more covered calls. All right, let's do it, guys. And boom. Bitcoin go up crazy October to December. Keep your Bitcoin. We'll see. You know, one thing at a time. But right now I'm pretty pissed. Straight goof for crypto the past week. Yeah, super green. Not sorry at all. Green is green, especially when you hit the sell button. Yeah. Green is green. Green is good. Can't complain too much if you're up. All right, let's get started, guys. So let's start off with what I did today. Okay, so DRMA, Dermata Therapeutics. I shorted this one midday. This halted midday. I shorted this at, I believe, $6. I shorted this, and I ended up covering at $5.60. I could have waited a little longer to cover at $5.40, but was a little impatient, so I covered there for about 6% gain. Not bad. We have HLBZ, Hellbiz. So this one yesterday was one of the major runners due to some Amazon partnership. So that was up for over 100% yesterday, and I was unable to get shares till the very end of the day. I managed to get shares at 26.50, and I ended up covering at 25. Should have waited a little longer. I could have got it at 24, but did pretty good there. Made a couple $100. JRJC, China Finance Online. Shorted this one midday. This halted midday. Shorted this at, forget what I shorted this at. I believe it was 620, and I covered at 550, so I made over 10% there. So very happy about that. And MRIN, which we'll talk about later on today. In the aftermarket, if you guys were watching me last night, yeah, I shorted this during the show in the aftermarket. MRIN was running. It was up like 100%. I got it at 10 and covered today at 9, so made 10% there. I honestly thought there was going to be more movement on MRIN and HLBZ, but unfortunately not. But hey, I made some pretty good tendies there, so can't complain too much. NNVC, Nano Versides, I don't know how you say it. But so I was in this one yesterday, got burned. I was bag holding. So today I unloaded a lot of those bags, but I'm still currently bag holding NNVC. I have an average of about 490, I believe. So yeah, still bag holding that one. ONTX, I shorted this one this morning at 6. I was down most of the day, and I managed to escape for break even. Pretty disappointed that one didn't move more. But at least I didn't take the L there. And finally, RWLK, Rewalk Robotics. So I was in this one yesterday. I was getting burned. And today I averaged down, and I managed to escape for break even at 180. So overall, pretty good day for me. Made some fat tendies and unloaded some bags. So big difference from yesterday, where I got absolutely wrecked. So yeah, I did pretty good today, so I hope you guys did pretty well also. I am trying to access Wall Street Bets. The website is down. It was up not too long ago. You know, I was just on there maybe 20, 30 minutes ago, picking out some Yolos. So hopefully that's temporary. Should be up pretty soon. Dude, sure. Watch ATER, please. I can't necessarily watch it during the show, but we can keep an eye on this. Damn, it's at 18:30. Yeah, this is mooning in the aftermarket right now. So yeah, you guys keep an eye on this and let me know what's going on. I'll try to keep an eye on it as much as I can. But you know, I'm doing the show live, so I can't pay attention all the time. But yeah, this is mooning right now, so keep me updated on ATER, guys, and we'll discuss it first today. Can we take a look at MRIN, Jackson No Love TV? Well, first of all, thank you, Dude Shirt and Jackson No Love TV, for joining the show today. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, MRIN, we're going to talk about second. So, hope you can stick around for that, Jackson No Love. We're going to do that after ATER. So, you know, either you can come back in a little bit for that, or you can stick around or watch the playback. But yeah, we'll get to MRIN. But ATER first. MRIN trying to get back in the game while up 60%. Yeah, Tencent, it was up 100% yesterday in the post market, and I shorted it. So, again, I thought there was going to be way more pullback, and it only pulled back 10%. So, pretty disappointing, but I did make some money there. 1010 says no problems getting onto Wall Street Bets. So, don't know what's going on there, low roller. MRIN bugging, lol. It consolidated all day, absolutely ridiculous. It actually, yeah, it was consolidating around 9 all day. But, you know, it did open at like 10, 11-ish. So actually it did pull back / consolidate. That's what I get for missing the show yesterday. Nice play on MRIN. Oh, thanks, 1010. Yeah, dude, I shorted that live, which apparently you guys like. You guys like watching me go Rainbow Bear live, so I guess I'll do it more often. Yeah, I just saw that out of nowhere. It went from like 5 to 10, and I was like, what the hell's going on? Short. I honestly thought I was going to make 30% on that today, so only made 10, but I'll take it. What's good, Marvin? Appreciate you for being here, as always, dude. And for everyone who came in late, could you please hit the like button? I'd appreciate that. Thank you very much. Okay, so yeah, on to the watch list now. Alright, so the Dow Jones finishes up 1%, the Nasdaq finishes up 0.99%, and the Nasdaq finishes up 0.99%, and the S&P 500 finishes up 0.95%. So, huge day for the stock market today. Big bounce here, which was much needed after, the past 2 weeks of straight getting wrecked. And pretty interesting because the Fed did talk today, and usually when the Fed talks, everything goes timber. So this is a little different from what we're used to. But hey, no one's complaining. So let's take a look at what's going on here. I see a lot of green. And guys, remember, what was it, last week or Monday? I was like, hey guys, SPY Yolos, 440 strike. And I was totally joking. But if you guys actually did that, and I was really considering doing this, but it was just way too, apish to even pull the trigger. Remember, I was joking, 440 strike, SPY, FDs. You would have been printing if you actually did that. So, Yeah, I was like half joking, but those would have printed. All right, so let's see what's going on here. So it looks like travel stocks doing really well. Airlines are up. Apple up 1.69% today. AMC up 3.25%. ANY up 9.67%. ATER up 28.62%. And we'll keep an eye on this. We'll discuss this first. Major runner today and still running in the aftermarket. So stay tuned. We'll discuss that very shortly. Got BlackBerry up 2.03%. Bumble up 4.20. Nice. Bionanogenomics up 5.2%. Oops. Yeah, the cruise lines also doing well. So yeah, airlines and cruises doing really well. Travel stocks doing well. Got Canopy Growth up 4.81%. Clover up 1.42%. Coinbase up 1.42%. Yeah, Delta Airlines up. Didi up 4.6% today. Very nice bounce for Didi, much needed. What else we got here? Got Ford up 3.6%. I believe a lot of the car companies got wrecked yesterday, so yeah, major recovery there. Facebook down 4%. Yeah, this, I believe I saw some news about Facebook. They're getting sued. Never good PR about Facebook. So right now there is a dip. There is a gap at like 355. I was discussing this on the Discord earlier. So yeah, nasty day for Facebook, but this could be a good buying opportunity. Not financial advice. Got Fubo up 3.73%. GM up 2.86%. GME up 0.1%. And Robinhood, wow. Surprised this wasn't trending today. Robinhood is up 10.85% today. Very nice. Yeah, JetBlue up. What else we got here? Marathon is up 7.4%. Huge day for Marathon. Not quite sure why. I don't think crypto's doing that well. MMAT is up 5.34%. Moderna up 1.54%. MicroStrategy up 3.2%. Microvision up 3.41%. Naked up 7.14%. Very nice. Yeah, Norwegian Cruise up. Again, travel stocks up today. Netflix up 3.06%. Very big day for Netflix. Neo up 2.29%. Nike 1.56%. Nikola 3.27%. Don't know why. Nano Dimension about 8%. Nokia 3.15%. Nvidia 3.27%. Big day for Nvidia. What else we got here? Palantir 3.04%. Palantir's been low-key mooning. And Peloton down 6.31%. Good. The hell's going on with Peloton? That's pretty nasty. Roblox up 2.95%. Riot up 5%. So it looks like a lot of these Bitcoin exposure stocks doing pretty well today. Skills up 6.44%. SoFi up 11%. And we'll talk about SoFi last today, 4th. So stay tuned for that. Snapchat up 3.3%. That keeps on running. I still have SPRT on here. I got to change that. GREE. Square up 3.89%. Very nice. Tilray up 3.65%. Tesla up 1.7%. Twitter up 2.34%. Anything else here? Oops. The VIX is down 14%. So yeah, huge decrease in the VIX, which is a good thing. Got Workhorse down 9.52%. Nasty. XELA up 4.15%, so that's above 2 again. And that's about it. So yeah, guys, great day for the stock market. A lot of green here, not too much red, and a lot of big gainers, you know, double-digit green. So very nice. We needed this, definitely. So yeah, I made some pretty good tendies today. Some pretty nice tendies. Hope you guys did as well. You do YOLO SPY call for 440, one contract. If you say consider it. Well, I was joking. I mean, I was like half joking. I was like serious, but you know, that's a little too risky to actually pull off. And you would have hit. Yeah, if you went for the 440 FDs. I should have went for it. I was actually thinking about it. Too late now. I don't know. This may be a dead cat bounce, people. Yeah, maybe. Hopefully not. You know, tomorrow, Thursday, Evergrande is on the hook for more money. They have to pay more bonds off, more loans. I forgot how much. Maybe like $50 million or something like that. Somewhere in the 8 figures. They owe more money tomorrow. On Monday they owed money, and tomorrow they owe money. So yeah, Marvin, it's a possibility this is a dead cat bounce after the nasty, you know, 2 weeks of go we had. Hopefully not, though. Hopefully not. But I would not be surprised. Robinhood is all over CNBC today for crypto wallet. Why? Is it really that big of a deal? I mean, it's a nice feature. Definitely needed, but okay. It ain't nothing new. I'm going to start loading up on the VIXs soon here. You're going to load up on what, Marvin? You're going to load up on calls for the VIX? Is that what you're saying? So you think the market's going timber. You're going to load up on the VIX? Well, good luck to you, dude. Where is my timber? It's going down. I'm yelling timber. You wouldn't be able to do YOLO if Reddit is down today. Yeah, that would suck. Fortunately, there weren't too many YOLOs to choose from. You know, it was going to be a chill YOLO day. So hopefully that's back up by the time we get to there. What's up, Monir? Nice to see you again as well. Thanks for being here again. Appreciate you. Watching MRM for overnight hodl. IMO. What's MRM? Metarum Healthcare Tech. So I don't know what this is, but this is mooning in the aftermarket. Looks like it could be a pretty good short too, so I might have to take a look at this in a second. Thanks for mentioning that, Team Crawford. I might have to make a play on that in just a second. I gotta check it out. Price $9.30 now. Do I think GREE has hit a bottom? No. No. And this is nasty. Yeah, there's still a gap to fill at 19. So, no, I don't think it is bottomed, although it looks like it's catching some support, but I wouldn't call it the bottom. This very well could keep free falling back to 19. So, yeah, disgusting chart here. Not out of the woods just yet. ATER has 4.2 million volume after hours. Yeah, that's why it's mooning. What's it at now? 18. So it looks like it's stabilizing at 18. It's holding at 18. Team Crawford says, I think it will go to the teens. Hope not, though. Hope it will go. Think it will go down to the teens. I think you guys talking about VIX there. Share, not calls. I'm not sure if we are going good yet. Okay, Marvin, that would be a lot smarter, yeah. A lot safer and a lot smarter, going for shares and not calls, not options. So, yeah, seems pretty good, dude. Yeah. I definitely opt for the shares over the options. So good luck to you, dude. I think GREE drops more. Yeah, it looks pretty bearish. I would not doubt that. I definitely wouldn't go long here, I'll tell you that. Marvin, wow lol. Wow lol, what are you wow lolling about? What's up, Steve? Appreciate you for being here, as always, dude. So, swing day for me. I do better on the market. Red day, it seems. But I did get DD to the green. Lol, that's a party. Well, yeah, thanks for being here, Steve. And congratulations to you. So, yeah, it sounds like you're like a day trader slash swing trader. So, usually you have a pretty big cash stack when you're day trading. So day traders, their portfolio tends to not align with the overall market. Which personally I like, I like it when everything is red and I'm chilling, and I like it when everything is green and I'm just chilling. You have more control over your assets. But yeah, I noticed that too, when I short, I usually make more money on green days than red days, which is kind of counterintuitive, but hey. Whatever. Tendies are tendies. Did I join Robinhood waiting list for crypto wallet? There's a waiting list? You can't just get on? I haven't been on Robinhood for... I literally made a Robinhood account like last year, and I've never used it one time. So I made it just for referral links, and yeah, I've never actually put in a trade on Robinhood, so no, I'm not going to do that. I don't need Robinhood. I don't need to sign up for Robinhood to get a crypto wallet. That's crazy. It's not free. It's not just available. You gotta sign up. I'm on my phone. Can't see through web. I use Reddit app. Maybe app is up and the internet site is down. Yeah, hopefully that's up. When I can pull it up right now. I can check right now once we get to crypto. But hopefully that's up when we get to the Yolos later. GREE. So, Marvin, you're wowing a GREE. I thought you were wowing because something is happening live. But, yeah, you're just wowing at this chart here. Yeah, this is pretty reminiscent, right, of MMAT, of MRIN. All these damn meme stocks. It's straight pump and dump. And people still don't learn. Hey, Uptown. Lol, let me get in on the long first on MRM before you short my tendies. Lol, JK, do your thing. My man, we both bank a little. Yeah. Well, take a look at that. Take a look at it right now, actually. So they purchased Kabushiki Kaishi. So the company they acquired is a Japanese hair salon company. So I don't know why a medical company would buy a Japanese hair salon. But the apes seem to like the news. So, okay.
We like to stop.
Doesn't really make too much sense, but hey, nothing really does anymore, right? ATER, good buying price tomorrow, and ANY, do you think now consolidation price. All right, well, so let's look at, we'll quickly look at ATER and ANY before we get into the analysis. So I have been saying ATER, I think, is going to go to at least 1950. So it's almost there. So I think you're asking about consolidation on ANY, because there definitely ain't any consolidation here. But ATER looks pretty bullish right now. Not financial advice. And ANY, yeah, this does look like consolidation, or it could be cup and handle. But I'm not going to say it's bullish, because it may go free fall, but it does look like there is some consolidation here. I'm kind of seeing a bear flag, which would be bad. That's a bearish indicator. But I'm also seeing cup and handle, which is bullish. So a lot of mixed signals here. So honestly, I really couldn't tell you which way it's going, but it does look like there is some consolidation here. It's consolidating right now. So either it's going to go moon or timber after it's done consolidating. So be careful, dude. And good luck to you. Crypto waiting list in Robinhood. They have to do beta testing. They don't end up Coinbase mess, haven't fixed their hacker issues. Yeah, I don't know why there's a waiting list. I thought you would just have access. That's pretty dumb. Beta testing. Why didn't they test it before they release it? Yeah, this is a mess. Robinhood is always a mess. Coinbase too. Everyone thinks red days are buying the dip days. That's why you don't do well on red days. That's why I don't do well on red days. It's not that I don't do well. It's just that it seems like I make more on green days. And I think it's because, you know, on green days, you have more opportunities to short stuff. There's more stuff mooning, so more opportunities to short. On red days, everything is red, you know, going good, so not as many opportunities. That's just my opinion. I don't know for sure, but I think that's why, for me at least, usually on green days I do better. Anyway, let's get to crypto, guys. 1 second. And let me actually see what's going on in the aftermarket, the post-market movers here. So give me 1 second, guys. Let me pull all this stuff up. Okay, so we see here post-market action. We have RGC, which I know what that is. That's Regional Bioscience. That's up 25%, 25.4%. And MRM up 23.3%. And then ATR 9%. BlackBerry's up too. How the hell is BlackBerry up? That's interesting. And DBGI is up 20%. DBGI. What is that? Digital Brands. Yeah, I'm not going to go for this one. But MRM. And what was the other one? Oh, RGC. So why is RGC up? This is interesting. No news on RGC, so that's pretty odd. But MRM, it's at 11 now, so it's still legging up. Okay. Okay. So I'm not going to go for this one just yet, but I probably will want to eventually try to get a good price here. Well, Metarom Healthcare is a Japanese holistic healthcare company. I don't think they're like a medical company per se, but it says healthcare tech. So anyway, it's pushing 12 now. So yeah, I gotta keep an eye on this. I want a good price here. This is absurd. Look at that, 12.30. I'm watching this live. Look at this, guys. This is going nuts. Moneri, you're welcome, dude. And if you want, you know, like I said, stick around. We should be getting to the actual analysis soon. So, or you can watch the video later. But yeah, we're gonna go into like full depth about, you know, support and resistance and all that good stuff on ATER in just a second. Look at this, pushing 12.50 now. Look at this. This is insane. MRM 1150. Run hair salon, run. You might want to get ready, homie. Yeah, I'm looking at this. 12 might have been the top there, because it's nope, never mind, it's still going. Not over yet. Still catching some pretty significant volume here. Sorry guys, don't mean to do this live, but this is some potential money right here. It looks like 12 is a pretty critical number here. Looks like it's starting to break. I might have to take it right here. I might have to take it right here. It looks like it's coming down. 1180. Come on. Yeah, I'm taking it. I'm taking it. There's no shares. God damn it. Oh, yeah, there is. Well, there's limited shares. So, yeah, I only got 16 shares, dude. I only got 16 share, guys. So, so much for that. I wanted 435. And I got 16. Great. And there it goes. And there it goes. I had it. Look at that. I had it timed and everything, and I put in the order and no freaking shares. Oh! You have got to be kidding me, right? You have got to be kidding me. Well, hopefully this comes back above 1150 and I get filled some more here. I really don't want to set it below 1150. Did I get filled some more? Nope. So I'm just gonna keep this at 1150. I really don't want to go lower than that. Should I go 11? This really sucks. I'm watching this go timber right in front of my face, like. You know what? I'm just going to keep it at 1150. And hopefully it goes back up and I get filled. Look, it's back up to 1175. Yeah, I'm not going to chase. I'm going to just keep the order at 1150 and hopefully it hits. But right now there's no shares. So I got 16 shares out of 425. So, yep. That's how the market makers screw you. You find a good opportunity and nope.
Bruh.
Don't do it yet. Well, I mean, I kind of did it. I got 16 shares and the order is in. The volume is pulling back significantly, so I think this is near the top, dude. But yeah, at this point, you know, the order's in. It is what you got to fill at 11:52. Really? How? Oh damn, it's at 12:20. What's up, Joe? Appreciate you for being here, man. All right, you know what? Good thing I didn't get filled. I'm canceling the order. I got 16 shares. I just canceled. All right. We're gonna set to 12:50 now. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Team Crawford. Yep. Just canceled the order. Should have went long. Yeah, I should have. But I'm only in 16 shares. It's not too bad. It's popping. Yeah, it's popping. It's popping. Okay, so. Alright, I'm going to set it for 12 now. Um. One second, guys. Sorry about this. You know, just trying to make some tendies here. Well, now it's going timber again. You know what? Let's keep it at 11:50. This damn stock, dude. This is ridiculous. Um. Marvin only got 10 shares. Yeah, I only got 16. So it looks like these are in very limited quantity right here. Well, now it's back up to 1260. So I guess I'm setting this back to all right, this is the last time I'm looking. Is it a double top? Kind of looks like a triple top. A small one. It could be a double top, but it's kind of hard to see here. Anyway, so, yeah, I got my order in for $12. So, I guess not. I guess I'm just going to change it back to 11:50 and leave it, guys. I'm not getting filled here. All right. Sorry for wasting you guys' time. I'm done with this. If it fills, it fills. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Okay. Yeah, we got to move a little faster here. It's already 4:47. For everyone who came in late, can you please hit the like button, please? I'd appreciate that. Thank you. Where am I covering at? Well, I haven't decided yet, but this is gonna gap at like 750. So somewhere above 750. I'll cover somewhere above 750. But there's a lot of downside potential here. First of all, I need my shares. I only have 16 shares. All right. So let's get back to the show, guys. Sorry for live Rainbow Bear in there. Seems like you guys kind of enjoy it though. So let's move on to crypto. My bad, didn't mean to stop the show and lose you attendees at the same time. No, dude, it's not your fault. Thanks for telling me. I was gonna see it anyway, but no, like I want to make a play on that. So, and now I'm down a little bit, maybe like $20, but yeah, my average is 1160. And I only have 16 shares, so I'm hoping I get this fill right here. If not, it is what it is. But it does look like the momentum is cooling off here. What's up, Sonny? Which stock am I talking about? Nothing too relevant. I'm talking about MRM, which is one of these stocks that are popping in the aftermarket. So we're not actually talking about anything too important right now. But we'll get to that in just a second. Today we're going to be talking about ATER, MRIN, LCID, and SOFI. So I think a few stocks that you'd be interested in. So thanks for being here again, dude. And yeah, enjoy the show. Let me know. I need a good covering price target. All right, dude. Well, if you're in at 1150, you can go for 20%. That would be that'd be like 250. So at 9, you would make 20%. And so I'd probably shoot for 9, honestly. 9 would be 20%. And maybe you can do in the 8s somewhere and stretch it to 30%. But I'd probably go for 9. Around 9, Marvin. 9-ish would be a pretty decent time to cover. What a crappy sideways day for my port. Up on dash puts and down on ASANA puts. Joe, didn't you say ASNA was going timber? Or was that yesterday? I remember you in the Discord saying Asana was going timber. So that's kind of weird you're down on that. But sorry to hear that, dude. Should I try to add more? Well, not financial advice, but I'm trying to add more. I'm trying to get my shares. I did add more puts on Asana at 120. Hope it pays. Me too, man. Good luck to you. ATER is my saving grace lately. Yeah, especially now in the aftermarket, Sonny. You must be printing right now. It's actually pulling back to 1760 now, but it was mooning. I mean, I guess it still is, but yeah. We'll talk about that first today. Yeah, major runner today, and past couple of weeks. Down 45K on TMC, 50K on OPAD, and 45K on RNT, but up 170K with ATER. Basically even. Well, first of all, Sonny, I'm glad you're up so much in ATER, because last week, I think it was last week, or was it earlier this week? I think it was last week. You said you were bag holding a lot of stuff there. So, yeah, I'm glad you were able to make your money back on ATER. Awesome, man. Congratulations. And yeah, not financial advice, but if you hold long enough, you probably will make your money back. So it's only a matter of time. Nope, forget all the shares are gone. Wow. Forget it. What do you mean all? Like, how do you know they're all gone? Are you just not getting the fill, or it literally says no more shares? Like, you cannot short anymore. It almost hit 19, but it's pullback now after profits are taken. Yeah, hopefully it stays above, 17. It finishes above where it closed at. Marvin, I got filled some more. I got another 80 at 1190. So I'm slowly getting my fill here. Slowly. I'm at 96 shares now. Thanks. I am learning to just get out when up instead of waiting for more, especially with stuff I have no conviction in. Yeah, Sonny. There's a time to long-term hodl diamond hands, and there's a time to, swing trade. So, especially with these meme stocks, personally, I don't like the diamond hands approach. I think meme stocks are straight, day trade or swing trade. That's how you would maximize on meme stocks, essentially. HODL is more for, blue chip legit stocks. Your Apples and Amazons and Bitcoins and all that stuff. Meme stocks, swing trade all day, in my personal opinion. Yeah, I'm hoping it stays above 17 after hour 2 and makes another run tomorrow. Yeah, hopefully. I mean, it's been going nuts a lot. It can't run forever, but, ride the wave up and dump it on top. Buy low, sell high. No more shares on Webull is what it's telling me. Well, sorry about that, Marvin. Yeah. Apparently this is a really high in-demand stock right now. So, I don't know. Keep trying, dude. And maybe it'll stay up and you can get the shares in the morning. I'm still trying, IBKR is not out of shares, but it's very, very limited. So, I'm having difficulty getting my fill here. Let's see an update here. Did I get more shares? I'm still at 96, but I'm in the green now. All right, back to the show, guys. Congrats, Sonny, and do take profits. Always another play. Yeah, definitely. Got to hit the sell button. Yeah, I messed up by not selling OPED when it hit 20, so instead of being up 30K, I'm down 50K. Huge swing, but I'm going to wait it out to at least break even. Yeah, that is a big swing. 80K swing? Damn, man. That is some diamond balls, first of all. So, salute to you on that. And, yeah, sorry about that, man. That's really, really unfortunate. But, if you're able to hold, then you should be able to make your money back eventually. So, yeah, good luck to you, man. I swing put much DD before I buy, and I never ever pass on a great stock. Big dip red day. What's being done here is a coin toss. On which stock you talking about, Steve? Coin toss for which stock? But yeah, as you should, always do your DD and buy on the dips. Right, as a wise man once said, buy the effing dip. They swing so fast. Yeah, they do. That's why you gotta set your orders in. You gotta put your sell orders, put it in your buy orders. You gotta go in with a plan. As soon as you get your shares, you gotta set your sell orders. So if it does come, it automatically dings, and you're not like being emotional about it. Like I'm gonna let it run, and then it goes timber. So yeah, that's usually how I tend to do it, Sonny. So consider doing that. If you're in for a swing, as soon as you get your shares, set your orders in, your buy or sell orders. Takes the emotion out of things. Okay, so here's crypto. This is up 5.61% today. It's all good as long as I cover in the green. No complaints here. I mean, yeah, green is good. Can't complain. Plus, I load up on undervalued stocks. Yeah, yeah, buy low, sell high. Especially with meme stocks. Especially if you I'm not sure if you play with options, Steve, but hey, if you load up on calls, that could pay off too. With Wall Street bet stuff, you have to get your money and get out. I usually sell next day. Yeah, as soon as it gets really popular on the thread, online on StockTwits or Wall Street Bets, that's probably a good indicator that the trade is over and you should probably start exiting. By the time it hits the mainstream, it's probably already over, unfortunately. But learn that the hard way. Steve, I don't. Well, maybe you shouldn't even look into that, because you might go down the rabbit hole and, like it a little bit too much. But yeah, dude, Steve, sounds like you have a more traditional approach to investing. Sounds like you and Sonny have similar approaches, Do your DD, get in low, and hold, and, extract value over time. Personally, I go for more of the swing trade approach, the day trade approach. I'm more of a technical trader, but there's no wrong answer, The answer is somewhere in the middle. Need a new broker, guys. I have Vanguard, but hate that I don't have after hours / pre-market access. Can't trade options and no crypto. Does anyone know one that does these? Sonny. So, yeah, I would go with IBKR, Interactive Brokers, or Webull. I personally use Interactive Brokers. I think they are by far the best. They don't have crypto, though. Webull does. I do think IBKR is better than Webull, but Webull does have crypto. And IBKR, you do have to pay commissions, small commissions on every trade, but I think it's worth it. So, yeah, dude, if you want to check it out, I have a referral link in the description. If you use the referral link, I get $200 and you get 1% on all your deposits. So, win-win there. And yeah, if you don't want to go for IBKR, then Webull is a good alternative. They have pre and post market trading from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. and they have crypto as well. So, and it's much it's a much more user friendly platform. So, yeah, those two I would go with, IBKR or Webull. Hope that answers your question. Yeah, low roller. Robinhood has crypto, but it doesn't have aftermarket and pre-market trading, which is, very important. All right, back to crypto. So here's crypto that is up 5.61% today. So, very nice day. This was much needed after the super good yesterday. Bitcoin was pushing 41K. So, yeah, now it's back above 43. So, yeah, much needed, because this would have been really, really bad. But let's take a look at what's going on here. So we got Bitcoin up 5.91%, Ether up 9%, Cardano up 12.4%, Binance 8.23%, XRP 13%, Solana 19%, Polkadot 20%, Dogecoin 12%, Avalanche 22%, Terra 30%, Chainlink 11.6%, Litecoin 5.3%. Yeah, everything is mooning today. Algorand, Bitcoin Cash, Cosmos, ICP. A lot of green here. I haven't seen one single red thing. So this is really, really good. Let's break it down here. So yeah, a lot of green here and a lot of double-digit green as well. We have a lot of 20 and 30% gainers here. I would say about 25% of the top 100 market caps are in double-digit green. So very, very nice. And let's take a look at the red here. Yeah, there's literally no red. Literally no red at all. Every single coin in the top 100 market cap is in the green. So very, very nice day for crypto. Much, much needed. So yeah, guys, I don't see how you could really lose money today in crypto. That'd be pretty unfortunate. So hope that didn't happen to you guys. But yeah, congratulations to everyone on crypto today. And the stock market. All around, much needed bounce here. Options are great when they pay off, but a nightmare when they do not. Yeah, that's why you rainbow the options, Marvin. You sell the options. You sell FDs to morons. That is the way. Sonny, you swing, check out CHPT. It is a $25 to $30 stock. It will go there now. Give me your stock forecast. Yeah, the one I keep thinking is Chipotle. So I don't know too much about it, but Steve seems to be pretty good on that one. He likes the stock a lot.
We like the stock.
Any other brokerage does all those things I mentioned? Not that I know of. As far as I know, IBKR and Webull are the only brokerages that allow trading from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. And Webull has crypto, and IBKR does not. I'm not aware of any other brokerages that have all those permissions. You need to look top 200 for hidden gems in crypto. Yeah, it's too much to go through, though. And a bunch of poop coins. I loaded up on CHPT under 20 yesterday. So it sounds like a lot of apes in here like CHPT. I'm always going to call it Chipotle. I keep thinking Chipotle when I see it. But yeah, good luck to you guys.
We like the stock.
All right, so that is crypto. And we have some news today. So let's get to that. 1 second, guys. Let's just refresh here on the aftermarket action page. Well, yeah, Marvin. So I only got 96 shares, and now it's down to 1090. So I don't think I'll be getting filled on the rest, because I'm not lowering the order. But yeah, I got filled on 96 shares, and I'm up like $100 right now. So not bad, not bad. So I think you're up too, Marvin. You know, not that much money because you got 10 shares, but yeah, those are printing right now. So congrats to me and you. Yeah, Jenks No Love TV. TD Ameritrade does allow it, but only from 7 a.m. to, I believe, 5:30 p.m. It's not 4 to 8. So, all the brokerages have pre- and post-market trading, but not from the full hours, not from 4 to 8. Most of them have it from 7 to 5:30, you know, which is pretty whack. Charge point. Okay, that makes sense. Charge point. The top 200 coin will make you the most money in crypto. Yeah, also lose you the most money. Low roller. Very risky stuff there. Very speculative. It's the gas station of the future. So it's like a third-party charge station. Got it. So they're in competition with Tesla. It is the future for sure. Yeah, but I'm not doubting that. I'm just saying, there's going to be competition. But as long as they carve out their section of the market, they should be fine. This is rainbow bearing. Yeah, rainbow bearing at its finest. Did I buy Shiba Inu? I did not, but I should eventually. I want to see stock market open 24/7 in the future. That might be a little too much. I kind of think it's good that, we get breaks and holidays and stuff like that. It wouldn't be the best if we had 24/7 trading. People can get burned out and you make some bad decisions when all you want to do is trade. You need your rest. But we have crypto and Forex for that. Alright, guys. So we have two articles here pretty much about the same thing. So let's read this. Federal Reserve holds interest rates steady, says tapering of bond buying coming soon. Key points. The Fed kept benchmark interest rates anchored near zero. Officials indicated they expect to begin reducing monthly asset purchases soon, but they did not say when. Economic projections pointed to slower overall growth this year, but higher inflation than previously projected. Okay, and we kind of have a part two here. Half of the Fed members now see the central bank hiding rates next year. Key points. Wednesday's forecast showed 9 of 18 FOMC members expect a rate hike in 2022. That's up from 7 in June's Fed projections. The Fed also dialed down its GDP projections for this year and increased its inflation forecast for 2021. Okay, so this was pretty big news, but nothing too surprising here. So as always, the Fed comes out, they say, we're not going to do anything just yet, interest rates still at zero, but now it appears like they are going to start tapering soon. At first, it could have been, people were believing it would be 2023 before we start seeing tapering and interest rates increasing. But now it appears like it's going to be a year earlier. It looks like in 2022, which is not that far away, they're going to start tapering. So, yeah, the bull run was good while it lasted, huh? This historic bull run since the pandemic up to now. But it does appear like growth is going to slow down in the near future. So that's not good. But yeah, not surprising at the end of the day. Everyone was kind of expecting this, like I said, it was good while it lasted. We took advantage of it. There's a little bit more time to take advantage of these great market conditions. So, make the most of it, guys. It's coming to an end soon. Not good. Yeah, not good. But yeah, we still got a couple months before they start doing this. So, make the most of it, guys. Okay, so that is all our news for today. Let's get into some analysis now. Once I refresh this. Okay. So what's up with EAR? EAR? That's down 50%. The hell's going on there? EAR? Look at this. Look at that. Good. This here RX. Okay, so the DOJ is investigating the company. Criminal investigation. It says insurance. So it says they're committing insurance fraud, pretty much. The DOJ is investigating this company, Here RX or Ergo Inc. For insurance fraud. So it's down 50%. Damn. So this hasn't even... So this graph is going to look so nasty because it hasn't updated yet. This is the one-day chart, but this is going to go way below what it's currently at right now. That is nasty. The VIX is looking really good right now. Really good as in, like, it's going down or it's going up. Really good. You got another 90 minutes to do YOLO on Wall Street bets. It's still down. No YOLO today. Well, hopefully it's still up. Hopefully it's back up by the time we get to that. But maybe there will be no YOLOs today. I guess someone heard something. Play on words. Nice joke, Steve. Alright, so let's get to the analysis. So today we're going to talk about ATER, MRIN, LCID, and SOFI. So let's do it, guys. Okay, here is ATER Aterian. This finishes at $16.72 today. That is up 28.62%. Is EAR a shortened opportunity or a buy the dip opportunity? Well, I definitely wouldn't short it, dude. Not now. You already missed your chance. As for going long, I'm not going to recommend it, but it could pay off. But there's a lot of FUD right now. It's under DOJ investigation, so that's pretty scary. So I probably just say don't do anything about it. Definitely don't go short. Maybe go long, but that's pretty risky right there. Okay. So this has been a hot stock for the past couple of weeks, and it appears like the squeeze is still on. The squeeze has not been squeezed just yet. The apes are still in here, piling in, squeezing these shorts out. So we've been discussing this one for the past couple of shows, and I've been saying all along that it appears like we have a cup and handle here. It appears like we have a complete cup and handle here. Top of the cup was 19 and the bottom was 3. And then I predicted that the handle would form. And then the handle forms. And then I predicted that we would see some consolidation and then breakout eventually. And I didn't think that the consolidation would only take 3 days. I thought it would take maybe a couple weeks. But we are already seeing a breakout. And I predicted that this would go back to at least $19 to fill the top of the handle here. And maybe even further, depending on how much momentum there is. So it appears like up to this point, I've been correct. And we are on our way to at least $19. So no specific news or anything to justify this price action today. Just a whole bunch of ape stuff going on. Apes piling in and shorts being squeezed. All right, let's analyze this. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 1820 and 1650. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1820, 1970, 2180, 23, 24, 2560, 2680, 2865, 3025, 32, 3280, 34, 'Lagging a little bit here. 3590, 3710, 3820, 3970, 4090, 4210, 4285, 4385, 45, 4640, 4765, and then the high of 49. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 1650, 1490, 1320, 1185, 1040, 940, 870. Zoom in here. $8, 750, 680, 560, $4, and then the low of $3. Steve, I will pass on it. Yeah, that's probably the better idea. Yeah, no thanks on ear. Probably go sideways at best. Still long on MRM. Damn, Team Crawford. Isn't it? I haven't been watching, but last time I checked, it was in the 10s. What's your average, dude? Because last time I checked, I was up like $100 on this, and I didn't even get the full fill. Oh, it's back to 1185. This thing is going. What price action? Wow. And I'm actually break even now, and I want my damn shares. Give me my damn shares. What's up, Derek? Sorry, been missing. Work's been long lately. Probably be late every day now, but I'll be here. Hope all is well. Well, thanks for being here, Derek. Yeah, I haven't seen you for a couple of days now, but glad you could make the show today. You know, handle your priorities in life. And, yeah, glad you could join us today. Nice seeing you. And for everyone who came in late today, could you please hit the like button? I would appreciate that. Thank you. Okay. So nothing is really... Oh, wait. So at this current price, 1670, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. The RSI is currently at 67, so not quite overbought and overvalued just yet, but quickly approaching that, so be careful, guys. And this did 96 million in volume today. Very significant volume, so this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, so nothing has really changed since the last time we talked about this stock, so I'm going to stick to what I've been saying all along. Again, it looks like we have a complete cup and handle here. The top of the cup has filled. The handle has filled. We had consolidation, and now we are in the breakout stage. So again, I think this should come back to at least 19 to fill the top of the handle. And it may possibly go further than that. Don't really know. Can't really tell. But this should come back to at least 19. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, you're a little late to the party, but there still is upside potential to 19. So there still is a little bit of money to be made here. Still some tinnies to be made. You can probably make around 10% going to the upside here. So yeah, not the most money, but still upside potential. And again, this may go past 19, but I think at the very minimum, this should be at 19. So I would support going long here. Not financial advice. But just be careful, guys. Like I said, the RSI is getting up there, and this may go bearish pretty soon. Maybe not, but, just consider that, guys. This can't keep up forever. Eventually, you will have to hit the sell button. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, it's looking like it's going to be. It's looking like it's going to be a good play eventually, maybe pretty soon. But I would hold off for right now. I think there still is a little bit of upside potential to go. So I think that going short here at this current price, 1670, is not the greatest entry. I would say hold off to at least $19, which is where the top of the handle is. And even 19 may not be the greatest entry going short, but I would wait till at least 19. But yeah, if you were to FOMO in here at 1670, going short, you're probably going to end up holding some bags, so it's not time just yet. Wait a little bit longer. But yeah, I would support going short eventually, pretty soon, just not right now. But keep an eye on this in the short term. Once, if/when this breaks 19, then I would support taking a short position. And again, just keep in mind, guys, 19 is the minimum that this should go to. So this may blow past 19 and go mooning. And if you were short, that would be really, really bad. So there is risk involved here. So going short isn't really the safest play. Not super dangerous either, but there are risks. There are a lot of risks to consider here. So congratulations to everyone who made money on this one today and in the past couple of weeks. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice, but it's never a bad idea to secure the gains. especially when you're up really big. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is ATER Aterian. Oh, and yeah, at the time of recording, 5:30. In the aftermarket, this is mooning, which is typically a bullish indicator when the stock closes in the aftermarket above what it closed at in the regular market, in the regular trading hours. So it's looking good right now, looking pretty bullish. Thanks, team. Appreciate it. Couple of crazy days in the market. Anyone hear anything on Fed talk? Yeah, Derek, you came in a little late, but we did cover the Fed talk. Basically, they said nothing new. They said we're not going to do anything in the short term, but probably next year, 2022, we're probably going to have to start raising rates. So, more of the same old stuff, but eventually they are going to have to taper pretty soon. So, yeah, it was fun while it lasted. Growth is probably going to slow down starting next year in a couple of months. 9:30 entry, Team Crawford. Damn, that's a really good entry. So you're up what, like maybe 20%, something like that, around there. So yeah, congratulations to you. Printing right now. Small portion, most of my attendees on oxygen for the approval. Well, Team Crawford, not financial advice, but hit the sell button eventually. I don't think it's going to hold up in the aftermarket. What's up, Chase? Appreciate you for being here. As always, next big mover, ONXT. Yeah, it could be. I was on the short side on that one today. I covered for break even there. Or a small profit, actually. Yeah, I don't doubt it. That definitely could be the next big mover. Is it running in the aftermarket? OTONTX. So it's actually pulling back in the aftermarket. But yeah, this very well could be a runner. So good luck to you guys. MRM back to 1150. Did I get any more shares? Nope. Still at 96. All right, next one, guys. MRIN. Okay, here is MRIN, Marin software. This finishes at $9.21 today. That is up 61.86%. Okay, so it's been a while since we discussed this stock. A couple months ago, this was the meme stock, and since then, this has faded away, pulled back really significantly. Didn't really hear too much talk about this on social media anymore, but yesterday in the aftermarket, we got some big news. So let's take a look at that first. So it says that Marin software is now in a partnership with Google. So I'm not exactly sure what that partnership entails, but that was really big news. Great PR. The apes really liked it, and they piled in. And the stock went from $5 all the way to $11 at one point in pre- and post-market trading. Yeah, the stock was up 100% yesterday. So today this opens So today this opened at 1080 and has since pulled back pretty hard to 920. But the stock still finishes up 62% to the but the stock still finishes up 62% on the day. Still major tendies here. So let's analyze this. And I should probably draw another line right here. Or maybe even another one. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 1080, and 930. Actually, no. My bad. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 930 and 830. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 930, 1080, 1180, 1320, 1510, 1730, 1885, 20, 2150, 2550, and then the high of 2726. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 830, 750, 675, 625. Gotta zoom in here. 570, 540, $5, and then the low of 470. Yes. And there's a bunch of support below 470, but we're not going to discuss that right now. Shouldn't be too relevant. So right now at this current price, 921, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this pulls back to 675, the channels start to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this comes back down to 675. The RSI is currently at 69. Nice. So not quite overbought and overvalued, but pretty much there. Quickly approaching that. So be careful, guys. And this did 145 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this pump/squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Okay. So we also have two gap ups way back before this squeezed. We have a gap up at $2 and another gap up around 430. So those may never fill. It's been a while since those were created, and they're pretty low. So I wouldn't be surprised if those never fill. But that is pretty noteworthy. Double gap up. So those are bearish indicators. And today we have a gap. And today we have another gap up at 560. So another bearish indicator. That is telling us that this is likely to come back down to 560 eventually to fill that gap. And that gap at 560 is much more realistic of filling. And the gap at 560 has a much more realistic chance of filling than the gaps at 2 and 430. So that one should fill. But yeah, we have a triple gap up here. So very bearish looking. And high RSI and high volume. So again, pretty bearish looking. Now it does look like we have a possible cup and handle here. There could be a lot of different tops. But this looks like a pretty deep cup here. So that's a bullish indicator. That would mean that this is telling us that this might keep running to the upside to fill the top of the cup, wherever that may be. ONTX will moon tomorrow. Penny stock don't move. Need news anymore to move. MRIN next week play. Could be. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't go for it right now. So like I just said, we have a lot of bearish indicators here. We have a triple gap up, high RSI and high volume, and really no bullish indicators except for the possible cup and handle in the making. So therefore, I think that this chart is looking very bearish to me. And I think in the short term, this is going to pull back to at least 560 to fill the gap. This ran up 100%. This ran up over 100% in a day, and it can come back down just as fast. I think the apes got a little bit too excited for the PR, and a lot of apes are probably going to end up holding the bag here. So yeah, I think that going long at this current price is not a good idea. You're going to be FOMOing in. You're going to be catching a falling knife, and you're probably going to end up holding the bag. However, I will say that if this comes back down to at least 560 to fill the gap, then I would support building a long position. But not at this current price, 920. And if you want to go short, not financial advice, seems like a pretty good play to me. Again, this should come back down to at least 560. So from this current price, what would that be? That'd be like $4. $3.50. Okay. Yeah, so from this current price down to 560, that's about a 40% downside there. So a lot of downside potential, a lot of tendencies to be made to the downside. So yeah, going short here seems like a low risk, high reward play. Seems like an excellent play here. So I would support going short. Not financial advice. Now just be aware that the apes are currently strong with this one, and I think that it's very unlikely that they keep pushing this up to the upside, but it's possible. So if you do take a short position, there is a possibility that this goes wrong on you. Again, I don't think it's very likely, but possible, so just be aware of that. So congratulations to everyone who made money on this one today. Consider taking profits, not financial advice. But you don't want to lose your precious tendies today. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is MRIN, Marin software. Alright, next one, Lucid. MRM back down to 1140. Very nice, very nice. Okay, here is LCID Lucid. This finishes at $24.95 today. That is down 6.94%. Anyone mess with OTC stocks? I do not, but maybe someone in the chat does. Okay, so here's another meme stock. So here's another meme stock that the apes really like that has been trending a lot in the past week. We've been covering this one a few times. So I said in the previous shows that it appears like we have a cup and handle here. I said that it appears like we have a complete cup here, and it looks like a handle will start to form soon. The top of the cup was around 28. And the bottom was around 19. So that'd be what? 9, 23.50. So just some quick math off the top of my head. This should pull back to around 23.50 if this is in fact a cup and handle. So this should pull back to around 23.50 for the handle to complete. So we're getting some pullback here today, and it does appear like we are seeing the start of that pullback. So I think in the short term, this should continue to pull back to the downside. And then once the handle completes, I expect some consolidation and then eventually breakout. Did they change after hours for TD Ameritrade? You used to be able to trade until 7. Not sure about that, Janks. I thought it was always 5:30. I've never traded aftermarket on TD. But it's 5:30. I know that. So yeah. So if it was 7, it's now 5:30. So that's very unfortunate. That's why I say go with IBKR or Webull, because you can trade till 8. Why the founder of Reddit should take Redcoin cryptocurrency. Redcoin is not going up. Wall Street bets will love Redcoin like Dogecoin. Redcoin is a meme crypto. I still love Redcoin. I can't sell it because the only place you could trade it is like Bittrex, and I live in New York, and you can't trade Bittrex in New York, so I'm just bag holding. I'm not bag holding, but I'm holding Redcoin right now because I can't get rid of it. It used to be, I should have dumped it a long time ago when John McAfee pumped it. I remember back in the day, John McAfee pumped Redcoin, Verge, and some other stuff, and I was holding those poop coins, and I was like, yeah, John McAfee. Pump it. But yeah, it's been a while since I heard about Redcoin. I still actually have some. Bad Back 007 should hold ATER through night or sell before after hours close. What do you guys think? Well, first of all, thanks for joining the show today. Appreciate you, man. I don't think I've seen you here before, so thank you for joining the show. Yeah, if you want, you can rewind a little bit. We talked about ATER earlier in the show first. But basically, I said that it should go back to at least 19. Maybe further. So, not financial advice, but it's probably going up a little bit more. So you can make the argument for holding a little bit more. But I would personally look to sell pretty soon. Probably within, the next couple of days. Not financial advice. So I hope that answers your question. Bad back. And again, if you want to watch the playback, or you can just rewind. And I did a full analysis on ATER. Reddit still down. How many TA you still have left? I got 2. This one and SOFI. I guess I will add to my Lucid position then. I'm a Lucid ape now. Yeah, I mean, can't blame you. It's still very speculative. They don't have any products yet, but it is looking like this is going to be a legit company. So yeah, a lot of potential here, a lot of growth potential. And this is officially a meme stock now. The apes really, really like this one. So good luck to you, Marvin. Does Weibo let you trade options and crypto? I believe so. I haven't used Weibo that much, but I do believe the answer is yes and yes. ATER looks strong even with a small pullback. Yeah, still looking really strong. Like I said, probably to at least 19. You're welcome, Bad Back. I guess no YOLO today if Wall Street bet's still down. I guess not. Oh, that's pretty unfortunate. We'll check in just a sec. See if that's working or not. Don't be surprised if it drops tomorrow before going back up. There will be those that take profit in the morning, but I see a lot more people jumping in too. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it drops tomorrow just because we had a major run today in the market overall. So some healthy pullback is kind of expected. Yeah, I wouldn't expect this to just moon every single day. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we do get some pullback, but I definitely don't expect it to go timber or anything. That would be disgusting. All right, back to this. So yeah, it appears like a handle is starting to form, and there's still some downside potential here. So in the short term, I expect this to continue to pull back, to complete the handle, to consolidate, and eventually break out again. And we have a gap down way back here at 50.50. So that is a bullish indicator that is telling us that this is likely to come back up to 50.50 eventually to fill this gap. Now that might be a while, but that is very important to take note of. And that might even fill relatively quickly, depending on the price action and the momentum of this stock. Okay, so right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 25.30 and 24.25. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 25.30, 26.80, 27.50, 28.80, 30.40, 31.45, 32.55, 36.50, 38.30, 39.90, 41.25, 43.50, 50.50, 52.75, 54.70, 56, 58.15, 60.20, 62.20, and then the high of 65. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 24.25. Or what did I say? 24.30? 24.30. 22.45. 21.40. 20.30. 19.10. 18.40. 17.15. 16. No, we'll just keep it there at 16. And then the low of 16. And there is some support below 16, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now with this current price, 25, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. The RSI is currently at 61, so a little above average, but nothing to be too concerned about. And this did 87 million in volume today, very significant volume. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. The 200 moving average at 950 for ATER. Is it still mooning? No, it's pulling back to 17. I knew I should have hit into HUT when it went in the 7s again. Gut feeling I didn't cash in on. Yeah, very, very unfortunate, Derek. But hey, that beats being down, you know? So next time you just pull the trigger and hopefully you print the tendies. But I feel you, dude. Missed opportunity. Really sucks. You can trade on TD Ameritrade from 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. You, instead of using market order, just put a limit order and you get the option to buy or sell pre-market and after hours as EXT PM or EXT AM. I thought it was from 7 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Not quite sure on that. But yeah, like I said earlier, you know, IBKR and Webull allow you to trade from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. So that's better from 7 to 7. So that's why I prefer those, you know, over TD. I mean, I use TD for the TA, for the charting and the research, I think Thinkorswim is the best platform for that. But for executing the trades itself and for the permissions you have, definitely not the best. I would definitely go with IBKR in that case. Marvin, not in anything right now, but thinking about pulling trigger on LIUS. I think Marvin really, really likes LIUS. So, yeah, he's going to say go for it.
We like to stop.
I believe Marvin posted, or he showed some gain, like 40% gain on LIUS the other day. So, yeah, I believe Marvin is holding that for the long term. Could pay off pretty big. How are you guys able to read my reply my name highlighted? I think you just put the @ sign. I'm not really sure, but I think as long as you put the @ sign, it should come up highlighted. Not really sure how that works, though. I'd rather have full access to all hours. Do you are able to make decisions in real time? Yeah. Definitely, I mean, it's better to have all hours than limited hours, right? I don't see why you wouldn't just go with all hours. You know, you're potentially missing out on some action. So, yeah. Again, to me, IBKR or Webull is the way. These other brokerages definitely restrict you. They have limited permissions. All right, back to this. So nothing really has changed from what I said last time about the stock, so I'm going to reiterate myself. Like I said, it appears like we have a complete cup here. It looks like we have a handle forming. So we have pretty high RSI and volume. So a good amount of bearish indicators here. And really only one bullish indicator, being the gap down at 50-50. So in the short term, I do believe this will pull back. So in the short term, I do believe this will continue to pull back. Like I said, probably to around 2350 to complete this handle here. And then I would expect this to consolidate around 2350 and eventually break out. So, therefore, I think that going long at this very moment would not be a good idea. It's probably going to pull back a little bit. So, if you want to go long, I would just hold off, wait till at least 2350, possibly even lower. You know, it's not too much of a loss from this current price of 25, but if you hold off a little bit, you should be able to get a better price. So I would support going long, just not at this current price, $25. But anything 2350 or lower, I would say go for it. Not financial advice. Why am I lagging? Come on. There we go. And if you want to go short, not financial advice, seems like an okay play here. Again, this should pull back in the short term to at least 2350. So that's around a 10% gain to the downside, maybe a little less. So not too many tendies to be made here, but there is a little bit to be made. So yeah, it's not the best play, but you should be able to make some money here. So I would support going short. And honestly, it may not even be worth it because you're not going to make too much money and you're putting yourself at risk of getting squeezed out. You know, who knows? Maybe this will keep running to the upside. Unlikely, but possible. So, yeah, going short doesn't seem too risky. But on the off chance that this does continue to run and squeeze, you're going to be in pretty big trouble. So just consider that. You should be able to make some money going short, but it may not even be worth it. But I would support it. I think it's an okay play. And yeah, can't say how long this will consolidate for, but eventually there should be breakout again to the upside. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in this one today. Consider taking profits if you are up right now, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is LCID Lucid. Yeah, ILUS, I'm in that for OTC and TWOH and Dark Pulse 3 penny stocks I like a lot.
We like the stock.
Yeah, I've heard ILUS still has a lot of room for big returns, especially if you hold. I'm in ILUS. It's going to NASDAQ 2022. See what you started, Marvin? Now everyone wants in. No, that's a good thing. Glad you guys sharing information here. I'm not going to go for it, but hope that works out for you guys. Good luck to you guys. I want to share a Dogecoin story on Reddit. A guy sells Dogecoin for surgery. Dogecoin saved his life, but Reddit's still down. Oh, that sucks. Well, we got one more TA, so hopefully it's back up before then. ILUS Ape here. Is now a good time to enter, Marvin, or do you think it will dip more? I waited Sunny and ended up paying more from last run. Well, let's take a look at ILUS real quick. Yeah, I would definitely not go long here, guys. This is just my opinion, but this looks like it's going timber in the short term. So you'd probably be FOMOing in here if you were to go long right now. I would hold off. You know, wait for some support. This looks like it's going free fall in the short term. So, I support going long, but chill, guys. Not yet. Just my opinion. You should be able to get this for, you know, a better price. I would say maybe 20 cents, maybe 15. I would wait a little, see if you can get it under 30. You should be able to get this for way under 30. You should be able to get this at 20, I think. At least 20. Maybe cheaper. Yeah, I would set the buy orders to 20, personally. Maybe even 15. But good luck to you guys. And yeah, just my opinion, not financial advice. I think buying in right here would be... I think this is too much. Yeah, this should pull back. You should be able to get a much better price. So, I think you should hold off, guys. And if you see ILUS under 25, hit the button. Yeah, hit the buy button. Yeah, 25.20, I would say 20.15 is a good entry. 25 might be still a little too much for my liking, but definitely I can get behind 20. All right, last one. Almost done here, guys. Okay, here is SOFI. Okay, here is SOFI. SOFI. This finishes at $16.84 today. That is up 11.01%. Which meme did I not use yet? Well, Sonny, you don't necessarily have to open another to switch your brokerage, although it probably would be better anyway. You could just open Coinbase or Robinhood and just trade crypto that way. But if you want it all in one place, then Webull is probably your best bet. Okay, so it's been a while since we discussed SOFI. This is a meme stock, and the apes really, really like this one. But after this launched, this quickly started selling off, and the momentum cooled off. Didn't hear too much chatter about this anymore. But recently, we're starting to get some momentum again. This was top 10 trending on StockTwits. So let's talk about it. So first of all, we have a price upgrade. So let's take a look at that. So it says Jefferies initiates coverage with a $25 price target. So that is very good PR. Jefferies, which is a pretty reputable hedge fund, thinks this is worth $25. So that's a pretty long way. So that's a pretty good ways to the upside. So I'm sure the apes are really happy about that. So that upgrade may have something to do with this price action today. But overall, I think it's mostly just ape stuff going on here. Apes piling in and driving the price up. So not much more else to say about this stock, so let's get into the analysis. Is this a gap? That is a gap. So today we have a gap up at 1520. So that would be a bearish indicator that is telling us that this is likely to come back down to 1520 eventually to fill that gap, and that might be in the short term. And it looks like we have a possible cup and handle here. Looks like the top of the cup would be around 23. And the bottom would be around 14. So that would currently be a bullish indicator. That is telling us that this might come back to 23 to complete this top of the cup here. Reddit is back. Alright, nice. Just in time. Yeah, that's most important to me after our pre-market access, as it sucks watching numbers go up and down and not being able to do anything. Yeah, especially when you want to hit the sell button, when you're caught by the balls or you want to sell, you can't do anything. Yeah, that's very, very nerve-wracking. So yeah, I support it. Definitely switch the brokerages. You get more privileges. All right, low roller. We'll get to that very soon. Tilray up 3% after hours. What's going on in Plantland? I did see some cannabis stuff. Or am I bugging here? No, I think I'm just seeing things. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with Tilray. But not complaining. Sonny says he set an order for 30 for 25K. All right, Sonny. Good luck to you. You know, like I said, personally, I think you can get a much better price than 30. I would probably do it for 20, maybe 25. But yeah, you should definitely be able to get that fill there. So good luck to you, man. It kind of seems like you're a little bit eager to get in and just to get filled. You know, I think if you're a little bit more patient, you should be able to get 20 or 25. But either way, good luck to you, man. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 1720 and 1660. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1720, 18, 1850, 19, 1980, 2050, 2125, 22, 2240, 23, 2385, 2425, 25, 26, and then the high of 2826. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 1660, 16, 1550, 1525, 1480, 1440, 14, 1310, 1255, 12, 1140, 11, and then the low of 1045. So right now at this current price, 1684, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. The RSI is currently at 61, so a little above average, but nothing to be too concerned about. And this did 55 million in volume today. Very significant volume, so this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Read Wall Street Bets Crypto at comment section. Post the link. All right, low roller. Got a lot of links here, but we will get to all of that very soon once we're done with this. I also heard that you can't buy OTC stocks on Webull or Robinhood, but don't know if that's true. I wouldn't really know the answer to that one either. I don't really go for OTC, and I don't use Webull or Robinhood, so I do not know the answer to that. Be nice if one brokerage did it all, though. Eventually, it probably will. You know, eventually all the regular brokerages, TD, Fidelity, IBKR, Vanguard, they're all probably going to start trading crypto. More like a matter of when, not if. Okay. So this chart looks pretty bullish to me. However, I do think this will pull back to 1520 to fill the gap first before continuing to the upside. So I think in the short term, we'll probably see some pullback, but in the regular short term, this will probably continue to the upside. So if you want to go long, I can't really blame you if you want to take this current price around 17. Not the worst price in the world. There's not too much downside potential. This can't pull back too much. So even if you buy in here and this pulls back, you're not going to lose too much money, and then you can just average down. So I would support going long here. However, like I said, I do think this will pull back to at least 15.20. So personally, I would set my buy orders to 15.20. And that would be a much better entry than 17. But yeah, this looks like it has a lot of upside potential. And Jeffries thinks this stock is worth $25. So going long looks like a pretty good play here. I would support that. And again, we have the possible cup and handle. Top of the cup being around 23. So yeah, a lot of upside potential. This appears like it's going to keep running. So I would support going long in the short term. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I don't recommend that. Like I just said, there's not too much downside potential and a lot of upside potential. You may be able to make a little bit of money here. Like I said, this probably is going to pull back to 15.20. But honestly, it may be a little too risky to even go for that, because this may not pull back, and if the momentum continues and the apes keep piling in, this could run pretty hard, pretty fast, and you could get squeezed out. Not too likely, but possible. And yeah, like I said, not too much downside potential, so it may not even be worth it going short here, even though you can make money. So I would support it, just be very careful, and if you do decide to go short, please be prepared to exit very fast. This is definitely not one you should hold for that long. So, congratulations to everyone who made money in this one today. Consider taking profits, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is SOFI, SOFI. Can't buy OTC on Webull. Okay. Why don't I dabble in OTC? Personally, I just never really got around to it. That's not my area of expertise. I really don't know too much about it. Not saying it's a bad strategy, you know, I just haven't really done it much, so I'm not too comfortable with it. But it could pay out pretty big. I should learn more about it for sure, or I should at least attempt it sometimes. But it's not a strategy that I typically use. You know, I'm more of a selling options, shorting, and yeah, you know, more of a scalping type. Yeah, no OTC on them. I use Fidelity for OTC, but pre-market isn't until 8 a.m., I think. Yeah, see, every brokerage has some stupid... They have something nice, and then they have some stupid restriction. So there's no one perfect brokerage. So it's better if we use all of them, actually. The bank will go bankrupt if they don't allow crypto. Which bank? All the banks? The Fed? I mean, banks hate crypto and the Fed hates crypto, but it's inevitable. So the best they can do is take it over for themselves. Inject their capital and control it for themselves. Alright guys, so that is all the analysis for today. Thank you for sticking with me. Did a lot of talking, but we're finally done with that. And now is the fun part, the Yolos. So let's get to that. 1 second. Let me pull it up, guys. Sorry guys, taking a little bit longer than usual to load, but almost done here. CEI is mooning right now. CEI is up 11.6%. Don't know what's going on there. Okay, so today we have Lucid, HUT, and SPY. So it should be pretty fun. Nothing too serious today. Shouldn't take too long. So this first one is by Jiggy1372. They say Lucid Dreams. Alright, so here we have, I don't even know how many. How many are there here? So I don't even know how many calls there are here. But this is for the 25 strike expiring September 24th. So in 2 days. So here is an FD. I don't know what the cost basis was, but right now he's up 31.7K, $31,700. That is up approximately 5,300%. CEI, Sonny, you bought CEI right before close at 146. Please stay up. Yeah, you can't trade it, right? So you're forced to just watch it fluctuate. Yeah, that sucks, man. Well, I mean, it's good that it's going up, but it sucks you can't do anything right now. So I do hope that stays up till, you're able to trade. Okay. So this is a pretty crazy play here. I'm not sure what the entry was, but this appears like this was done way in advance. Pretty risky play, That's a pretty far out there strike. Not the best expiration. That's very close. But I do think this was timed very well. So overall, pretty decent play here. Not the best, but definitely not the worst. And got kind of lucky. And now he's up 5,300%. Insane. Lucid. Oh, Tencent, you're still here. Awesome. 25. Okay, so Lucid is right now literally at 25, a little less. So this is like right at the money with 2 days to go till expiration. Yeah, dude. This is not even in the money. I mean, it's barely out of the money, but this is not in the money, and you're up 5,300%. Dude. Bruh. What are you doing? This one is so obvious. There's only one play here. You have to cut. You have to cut. Absolutely have to cut. And actually, this was posted 1 day ago, so it's probably not worth as much right now. This was probably in the money at the time of posting. So I hope he cut today. But if he didn't, please cut, dude. You know, this is an absurd gain, 5,300%. And it would be a damn shame if you held this through expiration and it goes out of the money. And there goes your 32K. There goes your 5,300% gain. Bought them for $6. That's a deal. That is a deal, for sure. Now it's worth $3.23, so... yeah, super... yeah, that guy came up. That's a lot. Yeah, very nicely done. Yeah, there's really not much else to say about this one. It's an okay play that went really, really well. Seems like this was done way ahead of time. And with a little bit of luck, he's up 5,300%. And now you got 2 days till expiration at the money. And I think there's only one play. So, Jiggy1372, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you so far. This is getting down to the wire here. I don't think it was the greatest play. Not the worst play, but, you know, a little bit risky here. But, hey, it worked out. So, at this point, I think the only play is to cut and secure the gains. There's really no need to risk this. Really no need to hold this through expiration. Why even risk all this money here to make a little bit more? It doesn't make too much sense. So, yeah, obvious play here. Only play is to cut and secure the gains. So, yeah, dude, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you. And please post updates. I like to see how you handle this one. Please sell, dude. Don't hold this. You will be adding Crypto YOLO in your show since it is part of Wall Street Bets. I can't wait. All the apes lose tons of money. So Wall Street Bets is allowing crypto again? Because they did very briefly when a couple months ago. More than a couple months ago. Like in January when the whole GME thing happened. And then I think Coinbase IPO was around the corner. And they started allowing talk about crypto for like a day. And then they took it off again. So is that right? Crypto is now allowed back on Wall Street Bets? Awesome. I don't know why they banned it in the first place, but yeah, that's cool. His screenshot from yesterday currently at $90 for each contract. Oh, okay. Currently 90 for each contract. So they went down a lot. Damn, they went down by like 75%. Good. Yeah, so I certainly hope he sold. Because that would be sick. Down 75% value in a day. So he's going to go from what? 32K to 8K in a day? Holy crap. Yeah, certainly hope he sold. That is nasty. Wall Street Bets Crypto is separate Reddit forum? Really? What is it called? I didn't know that, but hey, it looks like we got to join a new page here. All right, this one is by Lifelong Lecerner. Lifelong Lecerner. 2021. They say Lucid calls YOLO. Okay, so here we have 100 calls for Lucid expiring. What is this? October 15th, 2021. So a little less than a month ago on these. And these are for the 30 strike. So this was approximately a $2,900 YOLO, 2.9K YOLO. And right now he's up 15.5K. That is up 542%. Okay. So the play itself, honestly, is probably a little risky. You know, $30 strike is pretty out there. And the expiration isn't too far out. About 3 weeks to go. Not sure what the entry was, but I mean, it's a pretty decent play here. A little bit risky, but it paid off really big. So, yeah, not bad at all. You know, I kind of like it. I support it here. Pretty good play. And yeah, so right now we got about 3 weeks to go. 30 strike. So personally, I would probably just cut here and secure the gains, because there's no guarantee that this will be above 30 in 3 weeks. And you're already up really fat here. There's really no need to risk this any further. I mean, it could pay off pretty big if Lucid does in fact keep running to the upside. But dude, you're up 542%. There's no need to take unnecessary risk here. So I think the best play is to cut it all and secure the gains. But another option would be to take the cost basis out and let the rest ride. Although I don't think that's a great idea. That's another option. That's possible. So either way, you shouldn't be losing any money here. Yeah, not too much else to say about this one. Pretty risky play. It worked out really good here, and in this situation, he's in the driver's seat, so he can go about this a number of ways. But I just think it would be unwise to hold these through expiration. So, lifelong, Lacerner, 2021, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you so far. Not over yet, but it looks like you're in a pretty good spot here. Need about 20% to go in 3 weeks. So possible, but a little risky. Yeah. So the play itself, not a bad play. Pretty decent. I like it. And yeah, at this moment, personally, I think you should cut everything. That would probably be the safest, most logical play. But if you really want, you can let this ride. But definitely, please take out the cost basis at least, so you don't end up, in the red. And that could pay off pretty big if you let this ride and it continues to go to the upside. Could also be pretty risky. That's why I say that's why I would opt for cashing everything. But hey, no matter how this goes, please post updates. I'd like to see how you handle this one. And please, dude, don't hold this till expiration. Please sell. But yeah, thanks for posting. Good luck to you. That contrast lost $63 today. Lucid 30 strike. But had 14K volume today. No other contract had more than 2K. Somebody likes that strike. I mean, that is a pretty round number, That would seem to be the next logical strike after 25. But yeah, everyone with Lucid Yolos today got wrecked. So we will move on right after this ambulance passes. Hey, the siren's been pretty good today. I didn't even notice, but been pretty quiet. Usually there's one every 5-10 minutes, so this was pretty nice. You should post your YOLO on Redcoin in Wall Street Crypto New Forum. Well, it's not really a YOLO. I have $500 worth. Don't know if that would be accepted into the front page. It's nothing too special. Alright, this one is by Kevin Pathrath. They say my $560,000 extortion YOLO. So I believe this is Meet Kevin. I don't know. Somebody please tell me, is Kevin Paffrath actually Meet Kevin or an imposter? But he says Wall Street Bet says I'm banned unless I post a YOLO worth at least 15K. So I'm YOLOing $150,000 instead. Good luck to me. Meet Kevin. So I do believe this is Meet Kevin. I'm not exactly sure though. But that's pretty cool. So yeah, here we have 1,000 calls for HUT expiring October 15th at the 750 strike. What's this currently worth? 159. So yeah, this was a $156,000 YOLO. And I think right now he's up a little bit, not too much. Doesn't say here, but it says the current value of these contracts are 159. So that's 3 cents more or $3 more than it was when he submitted the order. So that should be a $3,000 gain so far. So not bad at all. Okay, HUT 864. Okay, so this is actually a pretty good play here. Very safe. Way in the money here. HUT is at 864. So yeah, way in the money. No immediate danger of this going out of the money. And about 3 weeks till expiration. So right now this looks pretty good. I mean, it's not the biggest gain, but you know, you get what you pay for. This guy paid a lot of money for safe options. I mean, this is a little bit of an FD, but he paid a lot of money for the in-the-money strikes here. So I like it. You know, you typically don't see people taking the safer option on Wall Street Bets. And, yeah, this is smarter gambling here. This is not degenerate crayon-eating ape-style gambling. So I like this play a lot. Pretty safe play here. Relatively safe play. And, yeah, you shouldn't be in danger of losing your money here. Yeah, so honestly, this one should be okay holding through expiration. Not saying you should, but either way you decide to go about this, either if you want to sell early or you want to hold through expiration, this should go pretty good. Like I said, no immediate danger of this going out of the money. But nothing really bad to say about this one. All around, pretty good play. I like it, and it should work out. So, Kevin Paffrath, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you so far. Small gain. And, yeah, very good play, dude. I like it a lot. Very safe strike. Decent expiration. And pretty good timing. So, yeah, overall, nice play here. I like it. And it appears like you're in a pretty good spot here. Pretty safe, and you should walk away with some tendies here. Nothing, too crazy, but tendies are tendies. So, yeah, congratulations to you so far. Good luck to you, and please post updates. I'd like to see how you go about this one. Currently 172 at close. So, yeah, it's up even more now. So, he's printing. Meet Kevin is a very rich man. He made $1 million a month on YouTube. Just on YouTube? Really? That's a lot. How does one make $1 million on YouTube a month? Damn. Yeah, so this really is nothing to him, huh? $156,000. Goals. One day I want to be like Meet Kevin. bought about an after. He bought about an hour after the market opened today. Hit a high of 191, but he was green all day, and it helps that HUT ended up 12% today. Yeah, very Chad move here. Great play, and timed very well, so it should work out. All right, we got two more here that I've planned at least. So this one is by Globo Hydrate. They say 26K SPY, 0 days till expiration, YOLO. Okay, so this is what we like to see, right? This is great content. Super FD. Literally can't get any more FD than this. And actually, this was the FD I told you guys to do. Jokingly, remember I told you guys $440 calls, SPY, FDs. Buy them now. It's gonna print. And I was half joking, and it's printing today. So I should have had the balls to go for it. Anyway, here we have 520 calls for SPY. Expired today. This is already over. Okay. So this was a little less than a 26K YOLO, and right now he's up $820. So SPY actually finished below 440. So I really hope that this guy sold before the end of the day. And even besides that, don't do this, guys. Please don't do this. This is not a good play. He's literally risking $26,000 to make $800. Is that a good play to you guys? Like, you know, the odds, the odds are just not good here. I'm thinking like in terms of poker, like pot odds and stuff, but you're putting in 26,000 to win 800. What the hell is that? That is not smart. So, yeah, I don't like this play. This is a super FD, very risky, unnecessarily risky. Yeah, so he posted 8 hours ago. So, I certainly hope he hit the sell button. Because if not, there goes 26K. So yeah, not too much else to say about this one. So Globo Hydrate, thanks for posting. Not sure how this went, dude. Not sure if you sold or what. Certainly hope you did. But besides that, yeah, this is not the greatest play, dude. Very risky play here. High risk, low reward play. Doesn't make too much sense. I don't know why you did this. And you were up 820 here, but this is before the market closed, so yeah, not sure how you went about this, but certainly hope you hit the sell button. Because if you didn't, this would be really disgusting. So yeah, dude, thanks for posting. Great content here. Very degenerate stuff, but great content here. I love it. And yeah, not sure how this went, but please post updates. I'd like to see how you handled this one. Whether you came out on top or you're going to be behind Wendy's now. But yeah, good luck to you in the future, man. Thanks for posting. Oh, man. This one looks like it got deleted. It wasn't much to show anyway. It was just a graph. But yeah, it says started with 31K September 8th, 2020. 10K September 2022. 10K September 22nd, 2021. About to YOLO into About to YOLO the rest into options and call it quits if I lose. So I wish I could have showed you guys. This was pretty entertaining, but yeah. Here's an example of a degenerate who doesn't know when to quit. And he's probably going to chuck his whole bank account. So yeah, unfortunate we couldn't take a look at this one. Alright, so let's see here. Got some links from Low Roller, so let's do these and let's get out of here. So there's a lot of links here, not exactly sure where I should start. Yeah, this is a lot here. Well, this is just the, looks like a mod post on crypto. So, we'll skip this one. Same thing. Huh? What's going on? Why is nothing loading? Is Reddit down again? The hell happened? I don't know what's going on, guys, but these are not loading. Alright, this one just loaded. Well, this is just the general page. Wall Street Bets Crypto, so I'm going to join this right here. And this one doesn't want to load. Try a couple more times. Well, in the meantime, let's take a look at the aftermarket action. MRM down to 1060. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, it's not loading, so sorry, Low Roller. Can't look at this one. Maybe next time. Alright, and before we get out of here, let's just take one final look at the watch list. ATER up to 1740. Nothing really else going on here. MRIN is down to 870. MRM down to 1010. So I didn't get a full fill there. Yeah, I only got 96 shares, but I'm up 164 bucks right now. So hey, not bad. NNVC down a little bit. ONTX down to 6 bucks. Try one more time. Sure. Yeah, it's not working. I don't know what's up, but sorry, Low Roller. Not working today. That's a great price. 1010. Lol. Yeah, nice pun there. And Hood is still ripping. Yeah, Hood is running in the aftermarket a little bit. Alright guys, that is the show for today. So we finished before 7 o'clock, right on time. I'll give you a link tomorrow. All right, dude. So yeah, this was a pretty good show. So thank you guys. Thank you to all the regulars for being here as always. Thank you to everyone new who popped in. Appreciate all you guys. And yeah, thank you to everyone who stayed till the very end. Really, really appreciate you guys. Yeah, a lot of chat here today. So it was a great show. Thank you guys a lot. Appreciate it. And as always, you guys are the real MVPs. Everyone who stayed till the very end. All right. Anything else, guys? Questions, comments, concerns? Anything before we get out of here? Going once. Going twice. And okay. Cool. So let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.